Grazie.
The truth is that it's horrible there. If you live there, you need more than 1 hour to find a parking spot. In a,
Yes.
you know Pagrati? Αλήθεια, really?
Yes.
Ναι. Λοιπόν, so, Andrea, ask me if I am married. Ποιο είναι το σωστό? What is the correct?
Let me just think about this for a second.
Ναι, σκέψου.
Is it ehete? Ehete?
Είστε.
Είστε.
Because we want the verb.
Oh, I'm
είναι.
saying you have.
Ναι.
No, iste, and that's,
You know, but you cannot read.
I have a hard time pronouncing that one.
Try.
Padrimine?
Παντρεμένη.
Padrimine.
Ωραία.
I have to practice a lot.
Ωραία. So, αφού ρωτάς εμένα, που είμαι female, θα είμαι παντρεμένη. Ωραία. Ο άντρας της δουλεύει στην Ελβετία. The next sentence. Ο άντρας της. Μόνικα, do you know τι είναι ο άντρας της?
Her husband.
Ναι. Άντρας, σκέτο, άντρας, ο άντρας, είναι man, the man. But if I say ο άντρας μου is mine, so it means my husband. Άμα πω λοιπόν, ο άντρας μου is my husband. Μου. Mine.
There's another word for that, yes?
Σύζυγος.
Σύζυγος?
Ο σύζυγός μου is again my husband.
Mm-hmm. So what you're really saying here is my man, but we interpret that as husband. Would you also say that for like boyfriend or something like that?
Ο άντρας μου.
Yeah.
Ο boyfriend. No.
No?
We use other things. For boyfriend, ο σύντροφός μου, ο φίλος μου. But ο άντρας μου usually πρέπει να είσαι παντρεμένος. If you're not married, you don't say ο άντρας μου.
Mm.
Εκτός εντάξει, if you're going to get married next month, okay, you can say that. Η γυναίκα μου, ο άντρας μου, but
Once you're
when
engaged?
you don't have a date or ο άντρας της means her husband. Her husband. Δουλεύει στην Ελβετία. Sean, translate ο άντρας της δουλεύει στην Ελβετία.
Her husband works in Helvetia.
The country that is with very good chocolates.
Switzerland? Oh. Helvetia.
Ωραία. Her husband works in Ελβετία, Switzerland. Επόμενη πρόταση. Next sentence. Έχουν ένα παιδί, τον Πιέρ. Έχουν. Έχουν is the verb έχω. Εγώ έχω. Που σημαίνει, Ανδρέα, τι σημαίνει έχω?
I have.
Ναι.